In the demo, we had to enter the actual action on our controller to check whether a user was allowed to execute it. A better way to do that is by building an authorization layer through which a request must pass before entering an action. Authorization policies help achieve that. The idea is that we would create policies that allow defining complex rules in regards to authorization. These rules can, amongst other things, use the user's attributes, or in other words, the user's claims. That principle, combining a set of user attributes in a rule and using that for allowing or disallowing access, in other words, access rights, is named ABAC. That stands for Attribute-Based Access Control. It's sometimes called CBAC, Claims-Based Access Control, or PBAC, Policy-Based Access Control, but these are three acronyms that mean the same thing. It's an alternative for RBAC, or Role-Based Access Control, and it's actually the preferred approach these days. ABAC allows us to easily define very complex rules. For example, if a user is from country A and lives in a city with more than 500,000 people and was born between 1980 and 1985, then he or she is allowed action X. In ASP.NET Core, there's built-in support for creating authorization policies. Now, I don't want to overdo it. This is still a fundamentals course, not an advanced deep dive into authorization and authentication. Yet, this is pretty important, so I do want to show you how to create and use a policy. Time for a demo.